let's upload a video. Alright. Yeah. I don't get it. But PC need a studio and download. To get TikTok live on your PC and download
But then YouTube live up?
Yeah, they can YouTube live. I hide it.
Huh?
What any bonus can realize?
What is it good for us? I'm going to check it and it look good here.
And like you see, you go change your angle or something.
I think somebody touching now because I get it. No, you don't get it on board, they won't cut off. You get plenty here now. Yeah, see? You're not seeing it. Come on, somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Right, somewhere.
Basically, big delay, like 5 seconds. So when you ask a question, you check 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Is that the
What, 5 and 5, 10?
Yeah.
Or you double it? No, I'll do this tomorrow.
Maybe. Yeah, you can.
How would we get tomorrow?
Yeah, home. Yeah, you can do something.
You
don't know.
You check what you do.
You just let me get to it and then I'll text you. You don't need
Right, but in YouTube live stuff already.
Yeah, but I hide it. And then you see the thing popping up. So we're going to use tomorrow.
Whichever one I get more people on.
No, I mean like what application? Like we're going to use the iPad. You want to share the screen and right?
Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to share the screen. Okay. I want to do it right. I want it.
No, nobody see you.
Yeah, but Zoom and no reward. Like on TikTok, you can get followers.
No. What you mean is you can do like always do now?
Go live on Zoom and then do it.
Then do it. Then see if you can link the TikTok. That would be easier for you.
No, the split camera is not like OBS.
No.
Split camera is
live on a stream. Yeah. You are and you are from TikTok and the streaming good. Yeah, the middle of this and then take it and go on Zoom and then the same thing like what you just do. No, it's not. We just not. Look at I'll get it. Dia mesti kan saka masa upon dulu. Saka masa upon bola.
That was very good. Next goal right after.
And they missed penalty. No, but in the end there. Yeah, do you want about like Saka masa upon goal? And Moreno missed like an open header. It a full luck in the end.
Oh yeah, and also you say somebody after this one.
Yeah, Saka scored. They started to get bumpy after that goal. They just have to lose it. They can keep people more.
That was just here. Yes, so much.
I think yes, you can. Just can't say. I think yes, you can. I never think of that. I get that. Yeah. Mas itu lah nak dibuat. Ini dah rasa terpaut yang tu nak dibuat nanti. this is enough where you just go on YouTube, you zoom up and just click live stream. Like that like that. So you don't want to do all this. You just click live. Yeah, zoom.
Last stream on two things.
Yeah. Yeah. Stream on. Outside. Yeah. Stop me TikTok. Well, next time. See.
Gracias. That could have check on the end. Absolutely.
Basically, absolutely. Oh, yeah. But not good. That is not check. Okay. Right. I just want to say on love people, I'm not going to be live. Live. So obvious that you can go live to school like that.
So you can change people.
Yeah. But you don't really care about the camera, you just care about the screen share.
So it's complicated for one thing.
And that would love to take up money for
Two of them, you want both of it.
That's what we want, yeah. But my split time we use that for audio and that for image.
But that's on Zoom, right?
Yeah. But see if you're looking for YouTube. That would be realistic. Yeah. You get to press one button and go live on two uploads one time, and you will see everything from this platform on Friday. There's another one. There's another in our OBS on that one.
There you go.
Same thing, yeah.
So, but that's set up that. Let's start YouTube here.
Oh, yeah. But I have it now. I have it in the
Yeah,
I
sure.
hope people understand.
Zoom?
Nah.
Right. So
Outside
you
the
this this one totally different.
Yeah, there's a back and feed you. No, I said it, you check everything on it. Wait until you CSEC Mathematics.
Where comes here tomorrow? Connect to America tomorrow.
TV.
Um,
Yeah.
wait, so what to go?
I go. Oh, so you just like go up to the next stop. On top, yeah. So yeah.
That's
Nobody, that's me, that's me.
that's it.
So, this one is a big up.
You got two? Come on, let's go, son. Stop there. Huh? Wait, no, what's Oh, you get it. You get it. It's not. It's not. I'm not sure. Let's put it in big. Right. Online, you're here, there? Anybody here online there? Online, or look at here, chat, or look at here.
No, it is soon. No, we.
Oh, no, look at
Chat.
here.
Sorry.
Chat, you look at here.
Chat.
Huh? Name of the school. I mean, the side. You can hear me? It's just Amir Kiyama. Yeah. You can hear? If you just use it, yeah. No. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, nice. So what do I do here? Yeah, go to that, just comment on this. Two of them. I say six. So what I mean, like, what is that's six going in two comments in that.
But my people that visited to the post
Oh, okay, okay.
So if I just not go there,
I'm not back out. Right. While you're waiting, or you can take a look on the board and you will see two translations there. Right? You would see a translation and a reflection. Right? So we could probably start right there in audio. We could probably start right there. Right? We could probably start right there. So we could see how it's going. Yeah, live. I don't see anybody else. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Are we put there right now? Okay. Yeah, what? So you could do the thingy where we can watch it even after the live finished. The thing is that not only like save it. Huh? Yeah, if it live still there, yeah. It will be in the same place. Right, but I'm sure who they and no respond. There is a go on Zoom. Alright, let's do it. How come the other people not responding? Same thing? They don't have a account and they carry system. Huh? So they can't? If you're not logged in, we have an account and you yeah. Oh, well, I cannot lean. I can only interact with Amir here.
Because on TikTok, it's something so numbers.
Yeah.
And then TikTok, and I pop up for
Okay.
follow on TikTok.
Yeah. That's all I can TikTok a little bit more. Anybody on YouTube can message me. I only have one person here that can message. I like TikTok more. Right. Yeah, but the problem I'm here is that nobody else can say anything now. So they can't tell me like they don't understand or what topic to do next. That's the problem. Ah, yeah, okay. All right, nice. Right, so I'm gonna start with transformation. I'll give it up 2 minutes. I'm gonna start with transformations and then we'll continue, right? I'm trying to see if I can get the TikTok back up as well so I can see some of the comments now. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start with transformations. Right on the board, on the board I have translation up and part of reflection. I'm going to continue reflection and do rotation I think for you as well, right? So just log in. For those who on my WhatsApp chats, you can WhatsApp me like what you want to do next, right? I'm trying to get it TikTok back up. Just give me 1 minute. Nobody can see you, but nobody can see you.
The other end, I can see. Yeah, I was in the show.
All right, so there we go. So we can go over. Yeah, of course. Everybody was circle terror. And I'll find a new way to do it right here on the code, right? And I'll see if that will help you. Right. So there we go. I know water. Right. So I'm gonna help you that's all right. I'm just trying to learn this user thing. And if people don't respond, I go crazy, you know. I just can't handle that, no? All right. So let's go to translation. A translation is a slide, right? You have an x and y value. If the x is positive, you're going to the right. If the y negative, you're going to the left. Positive y means you're going upwards. Negative y means you're going downwards, right? So that just to give you an idea. You don't want to learn this too much. What you have to understand is how to apply a translation. So if I give you a translation 4 and minus 5, you're going to add 4 and minus 5 to the point, 3, 2. So by adding it, you get a translation. So the translation of A under 4 minus 5 is 7 minus 3. Now, if you do have a translation, right? To get the translation, if I give you the object and the image, what you will have to do is to minus these two. 7 minus 3 will give you 4, minus 3 minus 2 will give you minus 5, right? So you have to minus the image and the object. Okay? So that's something else to do. Nice. Then you have reflection. In the x-axis, you leave the x value the same and you switch the y. So for example, if I give you minus 2, 5, that will become minus 2, minus 5. Okay? Right? So when you reflect in the x-axis, the x value stays the same and the y changes sign. In the y-axis, the y value stays the same, and then we switch the sign of the x value. That's the way you reflect, right? So there's some small things to remember. All this is the summary for those who knew, right? For those who knew, we go to the name of the school on the website, go under courses, and you will get summaries, right? You can go to the math summary, and you will get all these important info there. Right, next, how to reflect. Let's do a harder one, right? How to reflect. Let's say you want to reflect in the line y is equal to 1. Remember, every horizontal line, y equal to 1, right? That'll be the equation, right? It'll be y of whatever point it passing through. If it were a vertical line, it would be x of whatever point it passing through. Nice. If I said to reflect that point is 2, 3. It's a little off on my graph, right? But if you reflect that point in the line y is equal to 1, then this distance here must be the same. So that is 3 to 1, that's 2 units. So you're going down 1, 2. So about here, so will be the reflection. Okay? So you must make sure that here and here